Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you will be fine and today our topic is die home automation. First of all, there are some point for die home automation. I want to choose first point. The first point is choose your first smart device. Oh, now what is smart device? There are thousands of ways to automate your home, making it easy to go overboard on smart devices. You do not need, which suggests starting slowly with one or two smart devices before gradually adding. Top smart home devices factor to consider. There are the firstly is cost. You can buy a smart device on almost any budget. Decide where your limit lie. The second is setup. Stick your initiate smart device that match your skill levels. Smart electrical devices like smart thermostat and smart outlets require more technical skill to set up than other. The next point is lifestyle. Everyone is different, so the smart gadget your neighbor swears by might not work. The point number four is research before buying. Read customer opinion, buying gadgets, and independent reviews. You don't need to do as much research as but different perspectives always help. Okay. The next is the device for starting a smart home. Below we highlight some of the favorite product of smart home beginners that can easily to use, affordable and too good to pass up. We also include all that topics in our videos. The next is the smart speaker. A digital assistant or a smart speaker is probably the best way to start automatic your home. The work using voice command which are useful for setting timer, playing music and broadcast and controlling other smart home product. The Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen is an affordable smart speaker that uses Amazon's Alexa smart home platform and support it runs our devices. What the pair with your smart speaker? A smart light bulb to turn off at bedtime. No more leaving the warm covers to hit and light switches. A smart lock to check if the front door is secure. A smart thermostat to prepare your home process awfully. The next is smart light bulb. Small light bulbs are one of the cheapest and easiest way to start automatic your home. While we like multicolor light bulb for their flexibility, it is easy to schedules and dim using a mobile app on your device. It does not support multiple color but is a affordable option from one of the best smart home. What is pair with your smart light bulb? A garage door opening to activate your light when you come home, a smart speaker to dim the lights before bedtime, a video bumbles to use light bulbs as notification that a visitor walk up to front step. Next is a smart plugs. Smart plugs are budget friendly, easy to use and turn visually and appliances to electronics in a smart device. After setup, you can use an app to set timer and schedule lights. We like this affordable Mirrors one which are under $50 for 4 packs. The next is what to pair with your smart plug, a smart speaker to control your favorite lamp, smart thermostat to control a fan, smart light switches to control light fixtures and lamps manually. The next is the smart thermostat. A smart thermostat boosts your home comfort and energy efficiency. For example, it can shift your house temperature higher or lower during periods of low activity, like when you sleep or away. Our favorable smart thermostat is sensible smart thermostat because learn your preferred temperature, sting and work well. What do next is smart plug. Smart plug we have discussed, and next is smart thermostat, which are our next is the video doorbell. Video doorbell are essential security cameras for your porch. They allow you to see and speak with visitor to your door without opening it. One of our top doorbell camera pick the Ring Video doorbell, which is incredibly affordable and work using either a rechargeable battery or exciting doorbell. Why? Next is the smart lock. A smart lock can arm or disarm security system, track when guests enter and exit, and eliminate the need a high separate key near your door. So this was our topic. Hope you understand. Inshallah, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye, friends.